Hey, so today is the 16th. Going over today's trades. Uh, let's see. So this is my FTMO. This is a free challenge I'm doing right now with a 200k account. So I've decided to close trades one to one. So if I'm risking 0.5%, so I'm risking 1,000. So once I get 1,000 in profit, I'll close the trade. So I would teach myself how to take profit. And today I've had one trade close and it was $1,000. And the trades I took today are over here. So let's go over them. This trade I took last night past midnight, so technically on the 16th. It was actually after I don't remember if I took it on video or not, but it was after I made the video. So price is still. Let's see if it loads. So price is still in a heavy downtrend, right? So in my opinion. So this is still a downtrend, right? And it still is a head and shoulders, in my opinion, here. And it's a break of the previous lows, and I think it's gonna go down. Plus, there's a break and retest of the previous lows, and plus there was a hidden divergence on the H1 here. Higher high, high, lower high, high, higher high. So that's a divergence, and looks like it's going down. So that's the reasoning behind this trade. And next I took a Euro NZD, which closed in profit. I'll show you here. It's simpler. Euro NZD. So the reasoning behind this trade is it's still an uptrend, right? Bounce, and there's a break and retest of the uh, daily daily zone, and it has made a double top or a W basically here in that zone, and it looked like it was ready to go up again, and plus there was a regular bullish divergence on H1 and a bullish hidden divergence on H4. So that was the reason behind this trade. And there was a one-to-one. I placed it one-to-one, and now it looks like it hit take profit. So this is that trade. So this was the Euro NZD trade. GBP CAD. Oh, for some reason I don't have GJ here. GBP JPY is GBP JPY as well. GBP CAD. GBP CAD is in a drawdown right now, but on the H4 we are in a there's a big wick on the daily, right? So looked like it was a fake out, and on the H4 there was a bearish regular divergence. So I wouldn't be surprised if this stopped out and then dropped, because it happens pretty often. there's a pretty significant divergence, and then there's kind of price makes an M or a double top right after the divergence. So one thing I could have done differently today, um, after the Euro NZD closed, all of these. Wait, let me get my phone. So I could post the screenshots of the MetaTrader. Okay, back. So floating profit after the Euro NZD closed in profit. The floating profit of all the trades combined were like 300 to 600 in that range. It went up and down, and right now it's minus 64. So I'll post the screenshot of today in the Telegram so you guys can see. I didn't post yet. Okay. Hope it's not too loud. Or maybe it's maybe you can't hear anything. Anyway, this is today, right now. So Euro NZD closing profit, and these are the open trades. I think it's actually even bigger if I don't click on it. So Catch CHF, I talked about GBCAT, talked about GJ is next, right? So yeah, let's see what it does. I wouldn't be surprised if it stopped out and then dropped, but there has been occasions when it goes to the exact recent high and then drops, so might be okay. GJ. Sorry. So GJ was taken based on this daily level here, and so it kind of broke past and then came back to retest, and there is a divergence on H1, which is a hidden divergence, and that was the reason behind this trade. Almost went to take profit. It was like 600 or 700 something. But keep in mind, I have to keep in mind, and maybe you as well, the $1,000 I made today, made in the demo account. This is like half of my month's pay, basically, right? But it's with a 200k account. With a 10,000 10k account, that would be 50, and 50 for me is like, it's not that big, right? So, but to put things in perspective, I have to get comfortable taking the 50, because 50 on a 10k account equals 1,000 a day in a 200k account. So and so on, right? So if I get 200k accounts, that 50 is now 2,000. So 2,000 in a day for me is like, right? So yeah, I have to put things in perspective pretty significantly. But yeah, GJ, divergence, break and retest, and yeah, let's see. Let's see. Right now, these trades are in minus 38. An hour ago, this was minus 400. So, and 2 hours ago, that was plus 400. So it fluctuates a bit. No big deal. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I've been pretty calm these past 2 days. So next one, is NZD USD, right? So NZD USD, I actually um, trash talked myself a bit. I didn't think if there was a good reason to take. Actually, there was good reason, but I was already in 5 trades. So luckily it worked out. Uh, but I didn't take it based on emotions. Actually, I did well a little. I didn't want to miss out. FOMO got me. So there was a little emotions in play, but still mostly because a wick and then a smaller wick, and on the daily, it's still right. It's still making a break and retest, and now we have like a small M or a small double top on the 1 hour chart, and there is a pretty significant divergence on H1 and also on H4. So this is a hidden divergence. This is a this is also hidden divergence. So yeah, that's a pretty big divergence, and that was the reason I took it, because that huge of a divergence plus an M on H1 plus a break and retest on the daily. I mean, there's got to be something happening there. So yeah, and now looks like it's going back in the direction I wanted to. And I think I covered the USD JPY trade already yesterday. I think right now it's pretty much break even. So let's see what tomorrow brings. If tomorrow morning it's still doing the same thing, just sitting there, I think I'm gonna close, because then it's like 50-50. Might as well like do a huge wick and then go up or whatever. Then it's like 50-50. I'm just holding my margin somewhere. And yeah, um, I don't have any other trades I'm looking at right now. Uh, Probably tomorrow morning is gonna be. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta stop saying I don't know. I mean, I don't. I don't have any other trades that I'm looking at right now, and for some reason it's too slow for me to make a small outlook. I mean, this is looking interesting actually, because it's a weekly break and retest. Weekly break and retest. Price was over here when I anticipated it's gonna go up a bit, and right now on H1 we have pretty much like the euro NZD USD. So I'm hoping this will come back. Yeah, okay, well I'll just chill for a moment, look at the H4 charts. Put some music for you guys. So this might break and come to this recent low here, and that way it would make like semi head and shoulders. Yeah. Okay, this is dropping now as well. I'm not gonna take it. All right. EuroCAD is looking very interesting. So, divergence here, right? On a daily level. Okay, it's past the daily level actually. And now making a very interesting double top here. So I'm not going to take it right now because it's still an upwards momentum. But if we get like a bearish engulfing candle here, then I'll take the trade, I think. Because this is very interesting. Yeah, I have to keep an eye on that. Euro CHF, waiting for a pullback up. I don't know what's that doing here. Anyway, if I have any trades, I'll post them in the Telegram. Right now, I don't see anything. Anything good. This worked out actually. Price was over here somewhere when I anticipated it's gonna make a move down here to this zone and then go up. Yep. Waiting for a pullback on USD CAD to this level here. USD CHF sitting the same spot. So yeah, I don't have anything new right now. So I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. And yeah, okay, yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.